Welcome to SpeedyPodz episode 6. Today we're digging into the week's big AI and business stories. Got some really interesting sources here. We'll be unpacking everything from, well, pretty startling job forecasts to some huge moves in the market.
Absolutely. And what really stands out this week, I think, is this kind of dual impact AI is having. You see massive corporate growth, huge valuations for some companies, but then on the flip side, there are these really profound questions about jobs, about the economy, especially for younger people just starting out. It's fundamental.
That's a really key point. It immediately brings up those conflicting signals in the job market you mentioned. Like the World Economic Forum is projecting overall job growth by 2030. Sounds good, right? But then you look closer.
Exactly. You drill down, and for specific roles, particularly those entry-level white-collar jobs, it's a different story. You've got experts like Dario Amodei from Anthropic, even Jeffrey Hinton, the godfather of AI. They're sounding serious alarms. Amodei thinks AI could wipe out maybe half of those entry-level jobs in like 5 years. Hinton's even suggesting, companies might just use AI to replace workers, boost profits. Big time.
And we're seeing real examples, aren't we? That story from Mo Gadat, the ex-Google exec, building an app with just 3 people using AI tools. Work that used to take, 350 developers?
Yeah, incredible efficiency. Or maybe substitution.
Right. And that developer who vibe coded a whole game using just prompts and AI tools in 3 or 4 months, when it was estimated at like a team of 10 for over a year.
And it's not just anecdotes. That Stanford study backs this up pretty strongly. It looked at workers aged 22 to 25. In jobs exposed to AI, they saw about a 13% decline in employment.
13%, wow.
Yeah. And crucially, older workers in the same jobs, their employment was stable, maybe even grew a bit. This isn't just the economy slowing down. It looks like AI directly replacing those entry-level skills, especially since late 2022.
So the huge question then is, can the new AI jobs, the ones being created, actually make up for this displacement? Mo Gadat seemed pretty doubtful. It's interesting that OpenAI is trying to get ahead of this, though, with that job placement service and free AI training, trying to help people adapt, maybe?
Yeah, trying to bridge that gap. It's a massive challenge. Okay, so while the workforce is grappling with all this, let's maybe pivot to how AI is boosting companies, because that's the other side, right? Look at Oracle this week.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Oracle jumped, 25%? Incredible.
Yeah.
Not just on earnings, but their whole AI cloud plan, signing huge deals with OpenAI and NVIDIA.
Right. It shows the market really believes in their role in the AI infrastructure boom. And related to that, you saw Supermicro deploying those new NVIDIA Blackwell Ultra systems, cutting-edge AI chips, big leap in computing power, even Adobe, people were worried about them.
Yeah, generative AI competition.
But they beat forecasts. They seem to be integrating AI successfully, not getting run over by it. So that eased some fears.
And then there's Tesla. They got the green light in Nevada for robotaxi testing, pushing ahead with that autonomous vision after Austin.
Another AI-driven ambition moving forward. And stepping outside pure tech for a second, but still significant, crypto exchange Gemini had a really successful IPO, raised over $400 million. Shows there's still appetite there.
Right. Strong investor interest. And that media news, Warner Brothers Discovery stock soaring. Because Paramount might make a bid, led by David Ellison, Larry Ellison's son from Oracle. Interesting connections there.
Yeah, lots of big money moving around, but, not everything's booming. Luxury retailer RH, they cut their sales outlook. Their CEO blamed tariffs, but also called it the worst housing market in decades. So traditional economic factors are still very much in play.
A good reminder. And Apple hit a snag too, right? Their new iPhone Air launch in China got delayed. Regulatory issues.
Exactly. So it's a complex picture. But summing up the week, you really see AI's powerful, almost contradictory impact. It's reshaping jobs, maybe displacing some, while at the same time fueling massive corporate value and innovation. The speed is just remarkable.
It really is. And it leaves you thinking, as our economy changes this fast, are we really ready? Collectively, for the social changes, the economic shift, how do we navigate all this when work itself is being redefined? Definitely something powerful to think about this week.